I just built an AI that finds viral tweets automatically from Twitter. Where I just given a query based on that query from past 3 days. It given the top tweets from the Twitter. Here is the demonstration. We can see. I will show you the demo. I given a query called voice AI. Uh, and it is pages to be scraped, 3 pages to be scraped from the past 3 days. And I again given a code note for that from the dates. It will be given the dates based on the past days, like today's, yesterday, and before yesterday. The page should be scraped. Here is the Twitter, and this is the code note for what we want. And here uploaded to Google Sheets. In this Google Sheet, we can see the what are the tweets are viral in the Twitter, set Twitter ID and URL for the Twitter ID, content, what is the content in that Twitter tweets, and likes, how many likes, retweets, how many replies, counts, views, and which date it should be tweeted. Also, we can see now we can build this one. So first of all, so go to the new workflow, add a trigger node, and go to the edit fields. In the edit fields, we have to give in a search term. For that search term, we have to search. I am searching for now N10, and in that N10, how many pages should be scraped. We have to give that one also, like how many days also. I am giving totally 3. We have to write a code note from past 3 days. We have to scrape the tweets. So we have to take the dates based on the tweets which is posted. From this one, we can get yesterday, day before yesterday, and today viral tweets are taken. Given a code note on which date we have to take the tweets. We can see. I'm already written a code note for this one. You can execute. From the past 3 days, I have taken from 19 to 20, 20 to 21, and 21 to 20. So we can see, and here we have to give you. We can see how many pages should be skipped. 3 pages from the past 3 days, and we have to get a. We have to set a loop to get the details. And here we have to write a HTTP request for that, for getting the tweets from the Twitter. And we have to got twitter.io, which is a Twitter for getting the tweets. Twitter.api.io. From that we can get the tweets. We have to sign up for this account. Okay, after sign up in this account, we will get a 10,000 bonus credit up to for free. You can use this one. Go to the in the section. Go to the doc section, and go to the search for advanced research, and copy this one, and go to the HTTP request and import CURL and paste here. We can see the Twitter CURL and go to the api.io, and we have to take the API key for that. Here is the API key. We can copy this one, and here we have to paste. In this, we have to set a queries, which type of queries we want, which is called query type. Query type. I am query type is top, and add a parameter called query, which is taken from the input. You can see the query is such term is N10. And another now we can execute this one. We can get that past top 3 top tweets from the N10 which is posted on Twitter. You can see there are several posts which are tweeted, and from this we have to extract. We want from the Google Sheet, we want Twitter ID, URL, content, likes, and whatever stuff we want. We have to write a code note for that. I already written code note. They simply copy and paste. I simply use the ChatGPT for that one. And after you can execute this one. Now we can see I have listed some 18, 16 items which are top tweeted from the Twitter. I just pin when you are executing the step by step, it loses the credits. So we have to pin that one so we can don't lose the credits from the Twitter. After that, we have to sort out because why we are sorting, we are arranging the tweets, top tweets, right? So based on the view count, we are just arranging the top tweets. I am arranging a descending order. Descending order means which is from increase to up to down. So we can execute this one. We can get how many we want 60, 54, 29, here 29 and 19. Based on that, we are uh, arranging. From this one, we have to write a we have to set a node Google Sheets. We have node Google Sheets from this one and update in a row. From this one, uh, Twitter dot where tweets. From we have to take sheet one. We have to select Twitter ID. For the update one, here is the Twitter ID, URL, content, like likes, retweets. How many retweets are there? Simply drag and drop the queries and the voids. Quote font also use and created at time and views. We simply drag and drop from the sorted it and we have to execute this one. Okay. In this we have to connect this to loop because there are three items in this one. We have to uh, update to the Google Sheets from the past 3 days. Now we can manually execute this one. We can get the past 3 days. Now we can see the unpin this one. Now I will check it. Okay, I just append in a row. From this one, I execute this one. Now you can see the 16 items from the past 3 days. We are getting this one. I will show you the exact demo. Now we can see get the from the past 3 days. We can get first round is completed 16 items. 3 items are 2 items are setted and 3 items are setted successfully completed. Now we go to the Google Sheet. We can go to the bottom from this one. We can get tweets. There are so much stuff. In this one, we can see sync the forward data AI voice. This one and it this stuff. You can see the viral. What are the virals? How am I motivating the how N10 auto workflows and how these workflows are done. Based on this, we can get the viral tweets on the LinkedIn or Reddit also we can get and we can check the tweets what we are building. Based on the tweets we can get the stuff. Thank you. I will show I will next video.